If you are searching for how to build wealth at 45 with nothing saved, this is the exact plan. 5 moves, in order, with real numbers, that takes a man from zero at $45 to real wealth by 65. The median retirement account for men aged 45 to 54 holds less than $115,000, and millions hold nothing at all. This video is not a lecture and not a fantasy. It is the plan I would follow if I started from zero tomorrow. $1,500 a month invested from 45 to 65 at the market's historical average finishes near $780,000. And this video shows exactly where those dollars come from and where they go. But before we dive in, subscribe, share, and like this video. Is 45 too late to start investing for retirement? No, and this video shows the math. 20 working years at peak income, invested consistently in low-cost index funds, builds real wealth. $1,500 from 45 to 65 at 7% average annual return finishes at roughly $780,000. 2,000 mon crosses $1 million. What should I do first with no savings at 45? 3 things in the first 90 days. Write down your actual net worth on one page. Pay off any debt above 8% interest before investing $1, and build 1 month of expenses in a high-yield savings account. Should I pay off debt or invest first at 45? Any debt above roughly 8% interest gets paid first. A credit card at 22% is a guaranteed negative return that no investment reliably beats. Paying it off is a 22% return, tax-free and risk-free. How much can I contribute to a 401k at 50? For 2026, the employee limit is $24,500, plus an $8,000 catch-up contribution at 50, $32,500 per year in tax-advantaged space, designed specifically for late starters. Ages 60 to 63 may qualify for a higher $11,250 catch-up if their plan allows. What should a 45-year-old invest in? Boring wins, broad low-cost index funds, total market or S&P 500, expense ratio under 0.10, automated monthly. Inside tax-advantaged accounts first. At 45, you don't have the runway to recover from a speculative wipeout. Average returns plus relentless consistency beat brilliance. The Reserve Man Challenge. Before Sunday, write down your actual number, everything you own, everything you owe, on one page. That single act puts you ahead of most men your age. Then comment which of the 5 moves you're starting with. I read everyone. Follow this channel for more interesting and educative episodes. New video every week. New case study documentary monthly. This is The Reserve Man. Wealth Discipline, the second half.